I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete all of your ChatGPT chats using the ChatGPT website. But before we walk through the steps to permanently delete your ChatGPT chats, let's look at how to archive all of your chats, which is more of a soft delete. This will remove all of your chats from your primary chat area, but you'll still have the option to see and restore them individually later if you want to. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to chatgpt.com, and then sign into your ChatGPT account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your home screen. Step 2. Click your profile name and icon to open a menu, and then click Settings. Step 3. Click to select Data Controls in this menu. Find Archive All Chats in this list of options, and then click Archive All associated with that option. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to archive your chat history. Step 4. Click Confirm Archive. All of your ChatGPT chats will be removed from your chat list and moved to an archive area. You can see your archive chats at any time by navigating back to Data Controls and then clicking Manage associated with your archive chats. A window showing a list of all of your archive chats will be displayed. You can click to open that archive chat to view it. You can click the Unarchive icon to restore it to your main list of chats, or you can choose to permanently delete it. Now let's walk through the steps to delete all of your chats if you want to move forward with that. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to chatgpt.com, and then sign into your ChatGPT account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your home screen. Step 2. Click your profile name and icon to open a menu, and then click Settings. Step 3. Click to select Data Controls in this menu. Find Delete All Chats in this list of options, and then click Delete All associated with that option. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to delete and clear your chat history. And to be clear, if you move forward with deleting your chats, there's no way to restore them. Step 4. Click Confirm Deletion. All of the chats that were on your home screen will be deleted. And again, when you delete your chats, there's no way to restore them. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.